Alright, dito sa ating second hour, I'll teach you how to find x and y intercepts. Intercepts means it's a point where it's where it's a place in a Cartesian plane where the line passes through the x or the y axis. So for example, x-intercept is, for example, I have here my coordinate system, my x and y axis, right? And then this place, if there's a point right here, for example, that's the point. Okay? Pag meron tayong point nandyan, this point is, this is what you call, and then meron din akong point dito. Alright? And then I'll connect the two. I'll use another color. Then I'll connect the 2 points. So let's say that's the point. I'll connect the 2 points. Ayan. So as I connect the 2 points, this place right here is what we call the x-intercept. This is the x-intercept. It's a place where the line passes through the x-axis. And this one is the y-intercept. It's a place where the line passes through the y-axis. So nakuha na niyo ang idea anong ibig sabihin ng x and y-intercept. X-intercept is where the line passes through the x-axis. And the y-intercept is where the line passes through the y-axis. So that's it. So there. That's how to find the x and y intercept. Paano hanapin ang y-intercept. So that's the concept on the intercepts. Now, I'll show you how to find. Paano ba yan hanapin given ang equation. So given ang equation, let's have our equation. The same, we will use the same equation kanina where we use anong gamit natin kanina? Y is equal to 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. We will use the same, all right? And let's try to see, compare if their graph is the same. Okay, compare lang natin. Here we go. How to find x and y intercept given this equation. All right. Step number 1. Okay, take note. Step number 1 is in finding y-intercept. Hanapin muna natin si y-intercept. Oops. Teka lang. In finding y-intercept. Okay. Intercept. In finding y-intercept, equate x to 0. Ayan, that's the rule. In finding y-intercept, equate x to 0. Ayan. In finding y-intercept, x-intercept, equate y to 0. That's the idea. And that's also our step number 1. So, pag hanapin nyo si y-intercept, si x, equate it to 0. So, ibig sabihin, balik tayo sa equation natin. y is equal to 2x. Since x is 0, so we will plug in 0 in our equation, minus 3. So therefore, y is equal to negative 3. And negative 3 now is our y-intercept. Negative 3 is our y-intercept. So therefore, we have the point 0, negative 3. Okay, that's our point. First point. 0, negative 3. This is our y-intercept. It's where we can find y. Alright? So here, dito naman sa kabila, to find x-intercept, we will equate y to 0. So 0 is equal to 2x minus 3. So take note, 0 kasi 0, si y kasi ng 0. And so we will, what? Solve for x. So transpose 2x to the other side, maging negative 2x. Maiwan po sa negative 3. And then divide both sides by negative 2 para si x na lang ang maiwan. Divide by negative 2. Cancel negative 2. Cancel negative, so maging positive. Our value for x is 1 and 3 halves. 3 halves is 1 and 1 half. All right, 3 halves. So therefore, if x is 3 halves, 3 halves, our y is 0. So this is now the x-intercept. So if we plot that one in our Cartesian plane, itong Cartesian plane, this is the y-axis and the x-axis. Ayan. So the y-intercept is negative 3. So dito banda, negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. Ayan. So this is now our, ito banda dito, this is our y-intercept. It's a place where the line passes through the y-axis. Kasi ito man ang y-axis natin, di ba? Then this one is our x-axis. And then, after that, plot natin itong isa sa x-axis, x-intercept rather. So, x-intercept is 0 ang y, so 0 ang y. Then, for example, this is our 1, then 2, then 3. Take note that is 1 and 1 half. So 1, then 1 half dito. Dito banda. So this place is our x-intercept. And then you will connect the two lines. Connect natin ang two lines. Pag connect natin sa two lines, yan na ang ating graph sa line. Yan, connect lang natin silang dalawa. So there. So this is now the graph This one now, this is now the graph of, walang undo. Itong graph na ito is the graph for y is equal to 2x minus 3. So there, that's how to find the x and y intercept, and also how to graph using the x and y intercept, how to graph an equation, a linear equation using y and x intercept. So there, thank you very much. Pasa ninyo ang inyong coursework, guys. So there.